So, you've been looking to jump on the RGB bandwagon, but you find that these RGB PC fans are just way too expensive. And yes, I must agree with you because these days RGB fans cost much more than even your household ceiling fans or table fans. Funny, isn't it? Well, here is this particular model of fan to rescue. This is Warhammer Kratos, and this thing is available as a value RGB kit, which is a set of 3 fans plus there's something known as a premium kit. Now the difference between value and premium kit, let me explain it to you. The difference is over here. In the value kit you can see just the actual fan blades glowing, and with the premium kit is the fan blades as well as there's a decent little ring around the perimeter of fan which also glows. So there are these two models. I'll link both of them in the description for you so that you can choose anyone which you want. Now coming here to the box design, I can see that the box design here is pretty professional. The specifications are mentioned at the back of the pack, which you can read by pausing this particular video. So let's quickly get to unboxing. Let's open this thing. And yes, I brought this thing on Amazon. It was really cheap. It was somewhere around 900 to 1000 rupees, which means that each fan is going to cost you somewhere around 300 or 350 rupees. And believe me, this is really cheap. Even non-RGB fans are priced higher than this. So what you get is first of all a warranty card, so you can claim your warranty by using this QR code. Plus they've provided mounting screws. Again, something very simple and cheap, but it does improve the experience of your installation because all of the hardware is included in the box. And what else is included in the box? Well, nothing but these beautiful RGB fans. So let me get all of them out for you. So here is how the fans look, and these fans are 120 mm like this, and this blade is made up of translucent material, and it's this blade which is going to glow. Now let me walk you through some of the features that I really liked about these fans, and the first thing being these dual connectors. Now the first thing is it comes with these motherboard PWM connectors as well as a Molex connector. Guys, generally when speaking about motherboards, what we have is one CPU fan and one chassis fan, and that's it. But we are not going to stay satisfied with it, right? We are going to install 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, I don't know, 50 fans in your PC case because a lot of people are installing huge amount of fans into their PC. So the thing is, you don't have to stay dependent on this motherboard connector. You can plug them straight away into your SMPS using the Molex connector. And this Molex connector has a neat little trick up its sleeve. As you can see, this Molex connector is again a pass-through type. So you can daisy chain these fans, something like this. So it doesn't matter if your SMPS has just a single Molex connector free. You can just plug them back to back like this. So this is again a very nice thing which Warhammer has thought about, that you can daisy chain these fans and you can use just one Molex connector on your SMPS and power all of these fans without having to worry about the connections. So Warhammer has your connections properly sorted out. Let's talk about the light output of these fans, and yes, that is the reason we brought RGB fans, right? So in my testing, the light output of these fans is very even. There are no hot spots or any kind of pixels visible, and the overall effect is very smooth. The brightness is good enough, and at night time, guys, believe me, this thing is going to light up your whole room. So the brightness is definitely enough for the night, and it is also enough during the daytime. The LED effect is very much visible during the daytime as well. Let's talk about the sound level. So the sound level of this fan is not a lot. You can tolerate these things easily, and even after installing, you can say 3, 4, 5 fans in your cabinet, the noise level is not going to increase that much. So I can say that these fans are pretty silent. Now coming to their performance, they spin at 1500 RPM and they do move a decent amount of air. So other than being just a pretty face, other than helping you with the aesthetics and the look, these fans are also going to improve your overclocking potential as well as the performance of your PC. The buying link to purchase this fan is provided in the description or in the first comment for you. Make sure to use my affiliate link if you want to support my channel, because your price is going to be the same regardless of anything. So that's it regarding Warhammer Kratos Value RGB kit which we reviewed in this video. I hope you liked the video. Take care and have a nice day, guys.